Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique. Today we're just going to see about a launcher called Nokia launcher. So if you just want to play a prank with your friends, and you can just use this Nokia launcher to change your Android mobile into Nokia launcher, Nokia like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Nokia 3310 launcher from the Play Store. So it will collect your old memories. So now you can see I just installed this launcher. It's look like a phone. You can just dial the number. You can easily call to. It have the same specification of the old Nokia mobile, so you can just delete it. You can just save contact, or it have a sum of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. By clicking on the setting on menu, you can find all the application. You can just even play the game on this small screen. So I didn't show that in this video, but you can just browse or play this by using the small screen on the Nokia launcher, and it's so different and also unique. You can find the menu, and also you can find the time and the SIM card you're just using. It have a customized Nokia launcher. If you just need to customize, click on the customized option here. So here you can find the phone theme. There is a different type of panels. If you just need it, you can just change the panel color like gray, blue, red, every panel color here. And also the old Nokia wallpapers also here. You can find the old Nokia wallpapers, so you can just set the wallpaper here by using this option. And also it have a lot of different option. For an example, you can just easily dial, and you can just prank your friends by using this launcher. You can show the launcher and shows it's my new old mobile. It will be like a bigger Nokia mobile, it seems to be, and it's a different and unique. If you just need to try a different launcher, just try this. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.